In this video, we're going to discuss conic sections. We are going to quickly go over what conic sections are and the 4 different types of conic sections. A conic section is formed when a right circular cone with 2 parts, called napes, is intersected by a plane. The 4 types of curves that can be formed are a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, and a hyperbola. So now we're going to look at an animation of how these conic sections are formed. So if you look at my picture right here, I have a right circular cone with 2 parts, one on the top, one on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate the plane that is intersecting this right circular cone with 2 parts. The plane is represented here by yellow, and where it intersects the cone is illustrated in blue. And you can see that right here on my XY coordinate system. Here's the yellow plane, and here is the blue, which is the intersection of the cone and the plane. So looking at my picture right now, I have a circle, and if I start rotating this plane, you can see how it transforms into what's called an ellipse. And if I keep rotating that plane, it turns into a parabola. And if I keep going, it forms a hyperbola. So as I let this play, you can see how all 4 of the conic sections are formed by a plane intersecting this right circular cone with 2 parts. Another thing that we can also do is we can vary the prism height, which, as you can see, changes the shape of my circle and forms the different conic sections as well. Then we can also vary the prism width, which again alters the 4 different types of conic sections. So this slide shows a picture of each of the conic sections that we formed during the previous animations, as just an overview of what a parabola, circle, ellipse, and hyperbola look like, and again how they're formed when that plane intersects the right circular cone with 2 parts. Each conic section can be defined both algebraically and geometrically. They can be defined algebraically by using equations of the form ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0, where a, b, c, d, e, and f are all numerical coefficients. And then geometrically by a set of points in a plane that satisfy certain conditions. We will go into great detail about each of these conic sections in the following videos.